Hello students, we have a question from the chapter Sets, Relation and Function. This is very important question and it has been asked in JEE Main 2008 also. We have given f of x equal to 4x plus 3. Now we need to show that f is invertible and we have to find inverse of it. So what concept we will use here? We will use a very easy concept to check that f is bijective function or not. F should be both 1 1 and 1 2. What is the condition for 1 1? As I can clearly see that this is an equation of line. If it is an equation of line, I can also plot the point. By putting x equal to 0, I have y equal to 3. X is 0 and y is 3. Let's suppose this is our 0, 3. Now put y equal to 0, we got x equal to minus 3 by 4. Let's suppose here somewhere it is minus 3 by 4, 0. After putting y equal to 0, I get x equal to minus 3 by 4. So our line will be something like this. Now what is the condition for a function to be 1 1? You can check it other ways also, but we have a simple way. After plotting the graph of the function, of which we have to check whether it is 1 1 or not, we have to draw a horizontal line parallel to x-axis. And it should cut the function at only one point. So this line is cutting the function at only one point. If I draw another line here parallel to x-axis, it will also cut the function at only one point. Now this function is 1 1. For onto function, its codomain should be equal to its range. And we can clearly see that in equation of line, its codomain is equal to range. So we got that the function is 1 1 and onto also. Now, how to find the inverse of a function? There are easy steps to find the inverse of a function. Let's suppose we have been given fx equal to 4x plus 3. Now we can simply put 4x plus 3 equal to y. Now what we have to do, just find the value of x from here. So it will be 4x equal to y minus 3, or I can write it as x equal to y minus 3 by 4, which can be written as g of y. Hence this is inverse of my function. Or I can replace y by x, so it will become x minus 3 by 4. So x minus 3 by 4 is inverse of the function 4x plus 3. Now coming back to the question, we have our correct option is y minus 3 by 4. If you want further knowledge on this concept, you can also watch our videos of 2 to 3 minutes, or you can refer to book also. This concept is present in class 12 mathematics part 1, page number 8, line number 2. To brush up your knowledge, you can also do further question on it by scrolling from here. These all are the questions on the given concept. Thank you, students.